Hey YouTube watchers, welcome to my video tutorial. So after watching this video, you will know how to cut out a figure and paste it into another picture so that it more or less looks like it was meant to be this one picture. And I will do this with a program called Gimp. It's already open, you can see it. If you have never heard of it before, it's similar to Photoshop. So it's a program to change pictures. You can download it for free, and I think that it's a bit easier to understand. So what you need, if you already have downloaded GIMP, is a figure to cut out and a picture you want to paste this figure in. So I will just copy and paste a picture in this open program, and you can just do this by drag and drop. So I want to cut out this figure, and no stress, I'm not depressive. You will later understand why I choose this figure, so just check this video out and try later. So what I first do is to enlarge this picture because it will be very difficult to cut this figure out with this size. So you just click on this lens here, and here you can enlarge it or make it smaller. Of course, as I said, I will enlarge this picture. Just do this by clicking on the left button of your mouse as often as you want till you reach the size you want. And well, there are now different kinds you can cut your figure out. There's, for example, this scissor here, and this scissor is very practical if you have a figure that is one color and a background that is in another color, because this tool basically can distinguish different kind of colors. Well, this tool is not really practical for this picture because this picture is black and white. It's also not that practical when your figure and background have similar colors, or your figure has a lot of different colors, because it could be that this tool may not distinguish the colors from each other. And whenever this tool may be handy for you, you just click on your left button and just like this, for example. And as you can see, well, there is no real figure, but they're like, this border is really nice. So we just come to this lasso, and here what you can do is click on your left mouse button and just draw a line. But for example, see, it's very hard, or it wouldn't be an exact line if you would continue this. So what we do is we use this tool, but we are not going to draw a line. What you can do, for example, in Paint, we will just click once on your the left button of your mouse like this, and then a circle appears. And what you can do now is make a lot of clicks and a lot of circles will appear. Very hard, I know, but you see, what is very handy with this tool is that you can move the circles back where you want, so you can actually make your border really exact. And I will just pause this video and continue to make a border around this figure. Right, so as you can see, I made more or less exact border. Just a tip, the more circles you make, the more exact your border can be, because there are no edges. You can make the line more or less round. And what you need to do now to in order to be able to cut out this figure is you have to connect your last circle to the first one, and you just do this by a left mouse click on the first circle, and here now like a frame appears, and I will just copy this figure with the shortcut Control and C, and now I open the picture where I want to paste this figure in. So here I have this picture, and now I just have this figure. So of course, as you can see, this figure is too small for this picture, and I will use this tool. It's the scaling tool, and you can just largen the pictures or smaller. The difference between this tool and the lens tool is that with the lens tool you aren't really changing the size of the picture, because when you are going to save this picture, it will say the original size, so you just enlarge or minimize the picture to easily change the picture. And what this tool does, the scaling tool, is it really changes the size of the picture. So what I do when using this tool is just click once on the picture, and then like this pop-up window appears, and I do this because you can now click here, and what then happens is that the ratio of the picture stays the same, so that when you enlarge it, for example, it cannot happen that the picture will be higher than it was, so that the ratio stays the same. And now you can just enlarge in the picture the size you want to have, and then click on the scalize here, and it will stay this size. So just then use this tool to move the figure where you want to, and I will just place it right here. And but the thing is that, as you can see, this figure I cut out is black and white, and the picture I pasted in is in color. Well, that doesn't look really like it was meant to be. So what we just tried to do is to make the whole picture black and white. You can go to here to this tool called colors, or you just make your right mouse click, and here will also be the here colors. And what we do is just color, as I said, the picture, and here are different kinds of tools. As you can see in the background, just change the pictures. Well, I will choose the second one. And also what is not so good is that the picture in the background is sharper than the figure. So we can just go to here to the tool filter, change or correct. So let's go here to sharpen, and here a pop-up window appears with a preview, so you can make it unsharp or very sharp. Now this, as you can see, doesn't look very good. Let's just see what is better, like this or like this. Yeah, we'll just sharpen the picture a bit, and well, it looks better than before. So I hope you can speak German, because then this picture will make sense. Here, this sentence, it means come closer. So it's just like a pretty very funny joke, I know. um well, just try different kind of figures. You can also cut out yourself and paste yourself in another picture, like backgrounds or something. Just try and try, and with every time you will see you get better by cutting it out. And yeah, you also can just watch different kind of video tutorials and do different kind of things with Gimp. So have fun and make cool pictures.